In this Pilates routine, we'll be linking movements together to build up to an intermediate exercise called Criss Cross. I'm Tucker, a certified Pilates instructor. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. And I'll begin on my knees, could also be standing up or sitting down. Arms out in front, hugging a big tree, and with the belly tight, hips stable. Exhale to rotate one way. And inhale back to center. Exhale the other way. Inhale back to center. Rotation coming from the mid-thoracic, the sternum area. So hips are stable, not twisting with the hips. Just the upper trunk. And a few more of this rotation prep. We'll prepare for the crisscross exercise. It'll be the same movement for the actual crisscross exercise. Last one. And we'll go seated. Feet about hip width apart. At a 90-degree angle here underneath the knees. And rolling on back. Laying flat, neutral spine, so that means natural curve in the lower back. Shoulders gently pressing into the mat. Palms down. Inhale, exhale to tighten the lower belly, like blowing up a balloon. And inhale, keeping that lower belly tight, not expanding the chest or the belly. And on the next exhale, one leg in the tabletop and down. And next leg in the tabletop and down. Let's keep breathing at a comfortable pace. And keeping that belly tight. Part one of the neutral series, again, preparing for the crisscross exercise. Goal of this exercise is spine stability and hip stability. Also focusing on staying in the neutral spine, so head is gently resting on the mat, nose pointed up to the ceiling. Shoulders aren't creeping up above towards the ears. Palms down on the mat. Lower back's not pressing into the mat, but the natural curve of the lower back. And next time, keep that leg up. Other leg up to meet it. And move into toe taps. Still keeping the spine stable, hips stable. Breathing at a comfortable pace. One method could be exhaling down, inhaling up. So the point would be exhaling on the exertion, on the force part of the exercise, and then inhaling back to start. And we'll go one more on each side. And bring both legs down. And take a moment to make sure you're still in neutral spine. Head gently on the mat, nose on the ceiling, natural curve in the lower back, feet hip width apart, lower abs engaged, deep stabilizing core muscles engaged. Exhale to bring both legs in the tabletop. Inhale to prepare and exhale to send one leg out at 45. Inhale back. Exhale to send the other leg out. Inhale back. And continuing with that pattern. Making sure that when the leg extends, I'm not overextending the lower back. Could be a sign that that's too hard of a movement. And in that case, I could keep the knee bent or raise it a little higher in the air. That'll make the exercise a little easier. Either not the full extension or the leg higher. The leg lower to the ground is going to be harder. So if I'm out this way, that'll be a more difficult exercise than extending up. One more each way. Exhale out. Inhale in, and both legs down. Moving to the upper body, ab prep exercise. So I'm pulling the abdominals in, lower belly's tight. Inhale, exhale to curve up. and down. Inhale. Exhale again, coming up. Palms sliding forward on the mat and down. Upper spinal flexion with this exercise. Chin stays at the same angle from the chest. So if I had my thumb on my chest, index finger on the chin, it stays at the same angle throughout the movement, forming a C shape here with the spine. Inhale down, a few more. Exhale up, pulling that belly in and down. 2 more. Exhale out. Inhale in. Also still keeping neutral spine. So I'm not sinking the lower back in the mat as I come up. Keeping that neutral spine. And let's take a quick rest. We'll let the knees fall over to the right side. Inhale, exhale, bring them up to center. Inhale and exhale, let them fall over to the left side. And inhale back to start. And taking a moment to head to toe checklist, neutral spine, feet hip width apart, natural curve in the lower back, shoulders aren't creeping up, palms down on the mat. This time, hands will come up behind the head, and same ab prep movement. This is going to up the difficulty here. Inhale, exhale, curl up and down. Exhale up. Inhale down. The elbows are staying back, not pulling the head forward. Chin staying at the same angle. Imagine being pulled up by your armpits. And down. 2 more. Exhale up. Inhale down. And this should be harder than the previous movement with the hands up here rather than up here. And down. And rest. Inhale, exhale, tighten that lower belly, both legs up in the tabletop. Inhale, exhale, curling up into ab prep. And now we move into crisscross. Inhale, exhale, right leg straight, rotating, thinking of touching the right armpit to the right thigh. And inhale back. And exhale, left leg straight, left armpit reaching out towards the thigh. Inhale back. And let's keep going. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Again, twisting with that mid-thoracic that we did the rotation prep with on the very first movement. So hips are stable. Hips aren't rocking. Elbows staying back, reaching with the armpits. Keeping neutral in the spine. And rotating from that sternum area. 1 more each way. And bring the knees into the chest. Let the lower back sink into the mat. Imprinted spine stretch. And we're just going to vary this for the last movement of the video, speeding up the tempo, arms behind the head. Inhale, exhale, both legs into tabletop. Inhale, exhale into ab prep. Exhale, right leg straight, right armpit reaching. Inhale back and other way, and let's speed it up. Still staying neutral in the spine. Reaching in the armpit, elbow staying back. Hands aren't pulling on the head forward. Still breathing. Rotating from the trunk, hips stable. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything comes down. And one last time, bringing the knees into the chest. And I'll let the head fall from side to side a few times to release any tension in the neck. Head could weigh about 9 pounds. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the workouts. I'll link my entire Pilates how-to guide. Check that out, and I'll see you at the next video.